how to edit and manage the text size on your email or message on Gmail. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Gmail. Now as you can see, this is the home page. Now let's compose a message from here. Now as you can see, this is a test. Now if you want, for example, to make this text more bigger, all what you have to do is click here and select the text and go here. Now choose large, huge, normal, small. As you can see, now it's bigger. And if you want to make it smaller, select it again and click here, click small or normal. And yeah, it's very easy, as you can see. Please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end of this video. See you later.